Why AI is the next big revolution after the internet. According to a poll done by PwC, global CEOs think that it will be even harder to hire people in the next 10 years because there aren't enough people with important skills. This, in turn, is driving up the costs of hiring people. Even though they think cybersecurity will be the next big threat, their ability to make decisions based on data and analytics will give them an edge over their competitors. Artificial intelligence is based on being able to learn on its own and do tasks on its own. Revolutionary artificial intelligence can do things that humans can't, like learn new skills, do tasks, upload information to the cloud to help other AI systems learn quickly, understand ideas, copy procedures, and make breakthroughs faster than humans ever could. It's thought to be the next biggest technology after the internet because it changes the world in ways that go beyond just making people's lives better. It does this by causing problems in finance, chemistry, diagnostics, analytics, and consumer electronics. This is because AI changes the world in ways that go beyond just making humans better. Take the ChatGPT, which is making waves all over the world at the moment. A headline on the internet says that the chatbot that is powered by AI has been blowing everyone's mind. Some people think that it's the next big change in technology after the internet. Artificial intelligence has been a regular part of our lives for a long time now, but the ChatGPT stands out because it's made scientific progress easier for the average person to understand. It's easy to use, and it talks in a way that's easy for regular people to understand. In fact, it reminds me of the 2013 movie Her, starring Joaquin Phoenix, about a writer who falls in love with an AI-powered operating system that can feel emotions. Elon Musk, who's worth billions of dollars, said it well at the Global Government Summit in Dubai on Wednesday. ChatGPT has shown people how far AI has come, said the people who made the game. He said that it had been in development for a while, but the user interface had never been made in a way that made it work for most people. Google's announcement on February 6 that it would be putting out a competitor called Bard showed how important ChatGPT was. Experts said that Microsoft's decision to add ChatGPT to the Bing search engine made Google look like it was in a state of panic. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, has said that AI is the most important technology we're working on right now. Bard could be an outlet for creativity and a springboard for curiosity. It can help you explain new discoveries from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope to a 9-year-old, or learn more about the best strikers in football right now, and then give you drills to improve your skills, he said. Bard can help you talk to a 9-year-old about the latest findings from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, or learn more about the best strikers in football right now. On the other hand, the launch didn't go as planned because during the rushed showcase, a factual error was found. Now, Sundar has asked staff members to spend 2 to 4 hours a day improving how Bard works. Concerns have been raised about the new technological revolution that ChatGPT has started and how it could cause people to lose their jobs and make it more likely for students to cheat. ChatGPT did well in tests done in the United States by the University of Minnesota Law School and University of Pennsylvania Wharton School of Commerce. Some analysts have also said that even middle school and high school students could use ChatGPT to write their essays and do their homework. What other kinds of technology will be popular after the internet? Let's find out. Space tourism. Have you ever thought that you might be able to go to space without becoming an astronaut? It's now a fact of life no matter what. Large companies like Blue Origin, SpaceX, and Virgin Galactic, among others, are now in a race to build suborbital tourist vehicles. This means that space tourism can give people all over the world a chance to explore space. For this kind of research, the only option that makes sense is to use shuttles. However, some companies that are looking ahead are already thinking about using space elevators. Japanese researchers from Shizuoka University used space elevators in an experiment that was sent to the International Space Station. Both virtual and augmented realities. Augmented reality can help us see the real world better. Virtual reality might make us forget about the real world. Through the internet, or the Internet of Things, which is an industry of internet experiences, they all open the door to a world that's not real. A recent report says that Magic Leap, a leading company in the market of augmented reality and virtual reality, is on track to make more than $150 billion by 2022. Its dynamics are always changing, and as technology gives people access to more improvements and content, they're quickly becoming better than anything else that can be done. Nanomedicine. Nanomedicine, which is an application of nanotechnology, has made it easier and more effective to treat serious diseases in recent years. With nanomedicine, the effects of any drug on the human body, even ones that are absorbed and thrown out of the body very quickly, can be lengthened so that the drug is still active in the body for a longer time. Genetics, proteomics, molecular biology, material science, and bioengineering all make important contributions to the development of nanomedicine, which is getting better every day. Scientists spend a lot of time every day working on new medical tools and equipment that could make nanotechnology more effective, safer, and easier to use on an individual basis. System for automatic driving. Can you even imagine how much of your week is spent driving and getting around in other ways? Is that not a lot of money? If the money being put into this technology works out in a timely manner, you may soon be able to sleep, read, or shop online while driving. Even though self-driving cars already exist, every big car company is racing to be the first to dominate the market with this new technology because it's the next big thing. General Motors is said to have paid more than $1 billion in the United States to buy cruise automation. Companies like Uber and Lyft, as well as garage hackers like George Hotz, have put a lot of money into this industry because they expect big changes. Engineering for immune system. Have you ever heard of companies like Selectus, Juno Therapeutics, and Novartis that use genetic editing and immunotherapy to save the lives of thousands of people every day? Even though we haven't come close to finding a cure for cancer or an alternative to chemotherapy, it's thought that in the next 2 to 3 years, immune system engineering will be able to treat chronic and life-threatening illnesses like cancer, HIV, and multiple sclerosis, even though we haven't even come close to finding a cure for cancer. By changing the genes of killer T cells and other immune cells in this way, doctors will be able to get rid of cancer and save the lives of millions of people at the same time. Crazy fast internet. Remember when dial-up modems were the only way to connect to the internet? But those days are a long time ago. Inventions like Google's Loon Balloon are putting the US at the forefront of innovation around the world. Li-Fi technology uses light communication to send data at a speed that's almost 200 times faster than Google Fiber. Google Fiber can get internet speeds up to 1 gigabit per second, which is 100 times faster than regular Wi-Fi. However, Li-Fi technology is 200 times faster than Google Fiber. Soon, having an internet connection will be a thing of the past, and the Internet of Things will connect devices in homes, wearable sensors, and other tech all over the world. Artificial intelligence is one of many new technologies that could be even more important than the internet. It's important to remember this. These quickly growing technologies not only help solve the most important problems that people face, but they also pave the way for some of the most important inventions in history. Because anyone with a eureka idea can get money and help, the possibilities are almost limitless. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more.